Building with Lego is like being a wizard with blocks. Imagine this. You have a pile of colorful bricks, and with just a little imagination, you can create anything. First, let's talk about the foundation. Every great Lego masterpiece starts with a strong base. It's like building a house. If the base isn't sturdy, everything else will tumble down. So, grab those big flat pieces and lay them down first. Next, let's add some creativity. Think about what you want to build: a spaceship, a castle, maybe even a dinosaur. Use different shapes and colors to make it unique. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Remember, there are no mistakes in Lego, just new ideas waiting to happen. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches. Little details make a big difference. Add windows, doors, or even tiny figures to bring your creation to life. Now it's your turn. Gather your Lego bricks, start building, and let your imagination soar. Share your masterpiece with friends and see what they create too.